morning everyone. My name is Vishika. I'm studying in first standard B section. I'm telling the poem of Chandiranetake Hoduvanamma. Chandiranetake Hoduvanamma Modake Hedariwane Belliya Modada Alegala Chandira Bedarihane Chandidallu Galige Hane